Clap, everyone.
Thank you for coming today. Yay. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to have the opportunity to address such a distinguished audience. I'd like to talk to you today about different three types of hotel based on the location: airport hotel, downtown hotel, and resort hotels. I shall only take several minutes of your time. I'll be glad to answer any questions at the end of my talk. Did you know that the word hotel is French, meaning guest? The first hotel was established in Europe in the latter half of 18th century. It was only a business institution. There is no clear standard about the classification of hotels, but one of the easiest ways of classification is by location. The first type of hotel is airport hotel, which is located in the airport or nearby airports. Airports are usually located in the suburb, and the traffic service from the city is badly. So I missed my airplane last year. However, if you stayed at airport hotels, you wouldn't have to worry about missing your plane. In addition, you can get really useful service such as departures information or free parking ticket. The next type of hotel is a downtown hotel, which is located in the center or outskirts of cities. In the case of Japan, many hotels can be found in this area that can be reached in about 10 to 15 minutes on foot from nearest station. The hotels have many useful facilities, restaurants, athletic gyms, and shopping arcade. Also, people can choose the hotel class according to their purpose. The last type of hotel is a resort hotel, which is located in nearby famous sightseeing spots, theme parks, or beautiful beaches. The hotels are different characteristics by area, but the hotels usually located in nearly beautiful locations such as Hawaii or dramatic place such as Disney Resort Hotel, so people can get away from their everyday life and have a wonderful holiday. To summarize, there are three basic types of hotels: airport hotel, downtown hotel, and resort hotels. The first hotel was established more than 200 years ago. However, hotels became an absolutely necessary institution. Nowadays, the environment is changing. Hotels provide more unique service. So what do you think? Where will people build a hotel in the future? Could be established such as underwater or basement or space hotels. Thank you for today.